Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel, to my returning subscribers. Thank you for those of you that used to watch and subscribe. Thank you guys. Watch and subscribe and share to your loved one. Guys, this is how Bobrisky went to Messi Aigbe film premiere and she was fighting with everybody that was there. I am going to show you the woman that she was fighting with, and she was saying that nothing will happen. If you want us to fight, this is just barbos. If you want us to do barbos, yeah, I don't care. So guys, watch and subscribe and share to your loved one. I'm going to leave you to watch the video and see what happened there.
Guys, now today I know say I get plenty haters. Jesus. The moment I step inside Auntie Mercy's events, almost all the old blog want to swallow me. If you see one video flying around, I was warning one lady. The lady was trying to capture a bad moment of me. Why? She almost took her phone inside my eye. Now me say, if I slap you, if I was to slap, I don't get shame. I feel fight for anywhere, for party, everywhere. If you step on my toes, I can fight everywhere. I don't have a shame. Why? Now only be celebrity for that party. You won't choke their phone inside my eye. Without Android phone, no, China phone, no, Bangalore phone, no, everybody to do video of me without filter. I say it is not today. Not where first glam conceal my face. Guys, go and follow my makeup artist First Glam. I was glowing. Look at those videos flying around. Look at how pretty I was looking. Thank you to First Glam. For me to bring First Glam from Benin to Lagos, I know what's up. I know what's up. You want to shame me this night, but you know what? Now me win. Now me even find pass. See my dress. See my dress. Tell your favorites to show you what they are wearing. Hey, Abbas, you do this one. You pass me quietly. When I'm there, mommy of Lagos City, you have to be quiet. Yes. You know, fuck you. Mommy of Lagos is around. You have to be quiet. She just passed. I'll drag her with you. You don't go for. She just passed quietly. Come on, nonsense. Anyway, anytime I go to events, you need to respect me. I'm not your mates. I'm not your mates. No, shake me. Said they laugh, they open teeth. I beg. I'm not your mates.